didn't want to get up this morning. It's 8 o'clock. Just gonna let the dog out, let the ferrets out. Go and get a wash. Sort the van out. Bit of a tip at the moment. Oh boy. Good morning, lads. I think hay fever's going to be. I think hay fever's going to be quite bad. I'm starting to feel like I've got itchy throat. So I think it is. Soda flour, cordial. Tastes so good as well. I'll drop some of that in my water bottle. Tasty. So I've just met up with Jordan. We've got to the fishing spot. We're going to be fishing for bass. We're going to get wet. He's already up to his waist in his waders. I've got no waders, so I've got to get the shorts wet.
The gob on it.
Yeah.
But that swallowed a few mackerel.
Yep.
They'll come up and eat your popper and run your finger across there. See there? Sharp gill.
Oh yeah, yeah.
And they'll come up and they'll like spike it, bang, right into there. Right? And then they'll swoop back around and just go.
Alright, I'm going to head back. I'm going to go and phone, try and get in contact with Sam, Jordan's mate, the lad who's a chef. We don't want this, it's a nice big bass, plenty to go around to shear, so and we don't want to waste it and ruin it by cooking it wrong, so we'll see if Sam's free.
Yeah, right. What we're doing, eh? Are we doing a catch and cook or not?
Come on then, we might as well.
Come on then, when?
Well, let's do it tonight.
What you called him?
It's Angus.
Angus or
Angus.
Angus.
Hey boy, what's this? He's not bothering them. Nice throw. There's all kinds of clever questions getting asked here by people who really don't know how to cook. Yeah. There's two boys sitting looking at me that can burn cornflakes. Don't worry, I've got it covered. Okay, so I'm going to pan fry the bass and make like a white wine and butter sauce, traditionally called a beurre blanc. I'm going to make that with it. And then I want to make some dauphinoise potatoes as well. I can't even make this look good on a plate because it's size of fucking fish.
What, making dauphinoise?
Well, I'm making a take on dauphinoise. It's probably not exactly as the original French recipe was, but potato, cream, salt, cheese, you won't go far wrong. Which was that, Kevin and them? Yeah. Dauphinoise going in, it's all laid with cheese, your garlic and your cream. I'm gonna make the beurre blanc sauce. I'm just sweating my onions down. I don't have any shallots handy, so I'm using red onion as my closest backup. Just gonna sweat them down before I add my wine and my cream and allow it to reduce.
Yeah.
So I've added my cream to my wine, removed my onions, and I'm now just letting it reduce. So I'm just going to add my butter now. Whisk away till the butter melts in. I'm in there. potentially it should taste good.
Okay.
Falling apart already. Through the skin as I possibly can, and then end up doing very little on the actual flesh.
Alright, well that's tuck in to the fish that Jordan caught, and then Sam cooked.
If you take a forkful of your bass.
Really good. Alright, this is so good. I'm having seconds. It's proper nice, really nice.
I'm just getting a drink to wash that foul taste out of my mouth. Tastes like fucking charcoal dog.
No need for that, is there?
Oh, they look like very clean plates from complainers. I always wonder this.
Last piece.
Oh well.
I still can't put this.
That's gorgeous. Thank you, Sam, for cooking that again.
Not a problem.
Alright, gonna shoot off.
Take care, man.
Yeah, thanks to these two for another catch and cook video. And
It's alright.
see you on the next one.
Indeed.
When are we gonna go for the salmon then?
Next time it rains, August's a good time. First 2 weeks in August is good.
Yeah,
Yeah. Try and get up round about that time.
sound. Alright, see you everyone. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video. Goodbye.